Instructions are where you take control of how your AI agent responds to customers on your site. Every AI agent has an instructions area, a free-form field for guiding your agent's behavior. Unlike knowledge, which is only drawn on when relevant to a customer's question, instructions are always considered, no matter what's asked. That's what makes instructions so powerful. They let you define your agent's role, greeting, goals, tone of voice, personality, escalation procedure, even scripts and criteria for qualifying and capturing leads. Once you've run through the onboarding wizard, you'll already have a starting set of instructions. Edit or expand them anytime to suit your business. And if you ever want to start over, the Use Default button resets your instructions back to the system default. The key is to keep your instructions specific and clear to avoid conflicts. Focus on what your agent should always do and let your knowledge handle the facts. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.